Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today we will study the structure of covalent compounds. A covalent compound consists of one or more covalent bonds. Let us see the structure of hydrogen molecule and the bond present in hydrogen molecule. A hydrogen atom has one electron in its only shell. It needs one more electron to attain duplet. To meet this need, hydrogen atom shares its electron with another hydrogen atom. Thus, one electron each is contributed by the two atoms of hydrogen, and the resulting pair of electrons is mutually shared by both the atoms to form a hydrogen molecule. Let us see the formation of chlorine molecule. The electronic configuration of chlorine atom is 287. To attain the stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, chlorine needs one electron. When two chlorine atoms come closer, each contributes one electron, and so they have one shared pair of electron between them. Both chlorine atoms attain an octet, resulting in the formation of a single covalent bond between them. Here you can see the formation of a single covalent bond between chlorine atoms. The electron of one chlorine atom is shown as cross and the other electron of the other chlorine atom is shown as dot. Both chlorine atom needs one electron to complete octet. Therefore, these two chlorine atoms share their electron and forms a covalent bond between chlorine atoms. Therefore, we can say that in between a chlorine molecule, there is a single covalent bond. You can see the schematic representation how the covalent bond is formed between chlorine atoms. Let us see the bond formation in oxygen. An oxygen molecule consists of two oxygen atoms. The electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 2,6. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons, and each oxygen atom needs 2 more electrons to complete octet. So here two oxygen atoms share 2 pairs of electron between each other and forms a double covalent bond. In the figure it is represented O double bond O. It is read as O double bond O, means a double covalent bond in oxygen. Let us see the structure of hydrogen molecule and the bond present in hydrogen molecule. A hydrogen atom has one electron in its only shell. It needs one more electron to attain duplet. To meet this need, hydrogen atom shares its electron with another hydrogen atom. Thus, one electron each is contributed by the two atoms of hydrogen, and the resulting pair of electrons is mutually shared by both the atoms to form a hydrogen molecule. Let us see the formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen, it is a diatomic gas. It has 5 valence electrons. Its atomic number is 7 and has the electronic configuration 2,5. Each nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons. You know, a nitrogen molecule is formed by the combination of 2 nitrogen atoms. Since it has 5 valence electrons, it needs 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Therefore, 2 nitrogen atoms, they share 3 pairs of electrons between them and forms a triple covalent bond between nitrogen atom. A triple covalent bond is formed between two nitrogen atoms. Therefore, nitrogen molecule is highly stable. So, nitrogen molecule is highly stable because of the presence of a triple bond in between nitrogen atom. So, let us wind up today's session. Thank you.